To cut a section across a particular room, click on the three dot button next to Floor Plan in 3D in the top right and select Against Elevations. Click on Create. Herein, an elevation tag will be attached to your cursor, and by default it is pointing towards the north. You can click anywhere to set this particular elevation, and as you can see in the direction it is pointing in the direction of this house face, of this particular window. However, if you then click on three dot button and select elevation 2, which is the name of the elevation I've just created, you will be only seeing this bare wall. In order to convert this into a sectional view, go back to your floor plan and then drag your elevation tag to the inside of this room. In this case, if you want it pointing towards the kitchen furniture, you can ensure you leave it as it is, or you can even rotate it in order to determine where you want the sectional view to be looking towards. In this case, I just want it to be looking towards the furniture in front of us. And then, in order for it to cut through the walls, click on the extents of the elevation line and drag it to extend beyond the walls. You can even drag the depth extents in order to increase or reduce the extents of the cut. Once that is done, you can even set the elevation of this as well as the height extents of the same. To ensure whether that is needed or not, we can now go to the three dot button and select the elevation 2 we have created. Now, as you can see, this elevation is including all the internal furniture. If we want to see the slab showing above and below this room, you can make the elevation start from 0 in the left hand panel and increase the height to something beyond the height of the slab. Now, as you can see, both the top and the very bottom of this room, including the slabs, walls, etc., are showing up.